With the improvement in data storage devices and internet connectivity, the options to listen to music, whether collected on a drive or streamed directly from the internet, have grown tremendously. The greater problem faced is with the quality of wireless speakers. Unless you spend a bomb on a really high-end set of speakers that can offer you good compatibility with your devices as well as superior sound quality, your options for access to a variety of music seem futile. We have a speaker for you today that has won many fans because of its first-rate performance, available at an extremely affordable price.
Here we go.
The RoverBeats T3 Ultra Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker CSR 4.0 comes from Eteckcity, a company known for its innovative electronics products. The highlight of the T3 is its very strong Bluetooth 4.0 connection, which gives it a range of up to 33 feet. The connection is compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices, so whether you are moving about in your home or traveling with friends, you can use it to play music from your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or MP3 player. A 3.5mm aux port and a micro USB port give it additional connectivity options. The RoverBeats T3 is a portable speaker in the true sense, weighing in at just 0.59 pound and with a diameter and height of just 2.5 inches. This cute little device can easily be slipped into your backpack or even your purse and carried around. Its rubberized exterior keeps it stable and protects from getting damaged. A minor but helpful design feature for a device that'll get moved around quite a lot. Do not let the small size fool you into underestimating its power though. Its strong lithium-ion battery pack can last for a full 8 hours with continuous use, letting it work perfectly even during a day-long trip away from charging sockets. The sound quality is obviously the most important criterion in deciding if a speaker works for you, and despite its size, the T3 packs quite a punch here too. Its 3W rate power, enhanced bass resonator, and a high damping paper diaphragm help it offer you a crystal clear sound quality that can beat even bigger, more expensive speakers. If you are a bass lover, you'll love this speaker's power, though your neighbours might have a thing or two to say about it. What's more, you don't need to manually pause and play your music if you receive a call when listening to your music through your phone. The T3's built-in mic supports hands-free calling, pausing the music for you to take your call and then resuming it once you are done. The efficient Bluetooth comes in very handy when talking on the phone too. You must be eager to see how the Eteckcity RoverBeats T3 rates in terms of user reviews. It has earned a very impressive 4.4 on 5 stars from over 2,800 reviewers. The high sound quality seems to surprise a lot of users who were expecting a tinny sound from this small device. The Bluetooth range, the design quality, and its affordability have received great comments too. That's all we have on the Eteckcity RoverBeats T3 portable Bluetooth speaker. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Not sure if this is the right fit for you? Take a look at some of our other speaker reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.